We are living in a time where artificial intelligence is not just changing the way we work, it's changing the way we learn. From ChatGPT to smart learning platforms, knowledge is at our fingertips. But here's the truth. Having access to information is not enough anymore. The real advantage in this AI era is the ability to learn fast and smart. Welcome to today's episode where we explore how to learn faster and better in the age of AI. What psychological and neuroscientific research says about smart learning practical strategies to make learning stick, and how to collaborate with AI tools, not compete against them. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or lifelong learner, mastering this will give you a serious edge. Let's get into it. Let's face it, AI is transforming everything. In the past, education focused on memorization. Today, facts are one click away. What matters now is speed of learning, adaptability, critical thinking, creativity, and knowing how to learn. According to a 2020 report by the World Economic Forum, active learning and learning strategies ranked among the top 10 skills for the future of work. You don't need to memorize everything. You need to know how to process, filter, and apply information quickly. And AI can be a powerful assistant if you know how to leverage it. But before we get into strategies, let's understand how the brain actually learns. Learning is not just storing data, it's a biological process. Here's what science tells us: neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Every time you learn, your brain changes. A study from Harvard Medical School showed that repeated practice strengthens myelination, a fatty coating around neurons, which speeds up brain signals and improves memory. Active recall, spaced repetition, and interleaving are scientifically proven to be far more effective than passive reading or cramming. Let's break those down. Active recall. Instead of rereading notes, test yourself. Research from psychological science shows that retrieval practice increases long-term retention by up to 50%. Spaced repetition. The brain forgets over time, but spaced intervals reinforce memory. Apps like Anki and SuperMemo use algorithms based on the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve to schedule optimal review times. Interleaving. Instead of studying one topic repeatedly, mix related subjects. Research from the University of South Florida shows that interleaved practice improves problem-solving skills more than blocked study. Smart learning isn't about more effort, it's about the right techniques. Now let's make it actionable. Here are 6 research-backed strategies to learn fast and smart. 1. Use the Feynman technique. Explain it simply. Named after Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman. Step 1. Learn a topic. Step 2. Pretend you're teaching it to a 12-year-old. Step 3. Identify gaps and revisit weak points. Step 4. Simplify again. This engages deep processing and identifies true understanding. 2. Chunking information. The brain handles 4-7 pieces of information at a time. Break large topics into chunks. Organize them meaningfully. Research by George A. Miller, 1956, established the magic number 7 uns 2, highlighting working memory limitations. Chunking helps bypass that. 3. Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes focus plus 5 minutes break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This maximizes focus and dopamine levels, according to research from the University of Illinois on attention span fatigue. 4. Mindfulness. Before learning, calming your brain before a study session increases absorption. A study in Mindfulness Journal found that 10 minutes of mindful breathing enhances working memory and attention span. 5. Gamify your learning. Use dopamine strategically. Games, rewards, streaks. These all activate the nucleus accumbens, the reward center of the brain. Apps like Duolingo and Habitica use this method. Even setting personal milestones and tracking them can create similar effect. 6. Use AI to accelerate learning. Use ChatGPT to summarize complex topics. Ask it to quiz you. Use it to brainstorm and explain concepts differently. Use image generators to visualize abstract concepts like DLE. AI is your cognitive assistant. The more you use it to enhance, not replace, your brain, the faster you learn. Learning in the AI era also means fighting distractions. According to research from Microsoft, our average attention span dropped to 8 seconds. Thanks, Internet. Multitasking reduces productivity by up to 40%, according to Stanford researchers. How to fix it? Turn off notifications while studying. Use focus apps like Forest or Freedom. Study in distraction-free zones. The brain learns best in deep, focused states, known as flow. In this state, learning feels effortless. Achieving flow regularly is a game changer. In the age of endless content, learning smart also means being selective. Ask yourself, is this knowledge relevant to my goals? Is it timeless, or will it be outdated next year? Am I consuming passively or applying actively? Learning something isn't mastery. Application is. Use the Pareto principle. 80% of value comes from 20% of content. Focus on high-impact learning. Example: if learning coding, focus on core concepts, logic, syntax, problem-solving, not just memorizing syntax. If learning marketing, focus on customer psychology before trendy hacks. AI can give you tools. Your critical thinking is what turns tools into results. Let's bring this together. We live in a time where learning is limitless. But with this power comes a new challenge. Are you learning effectively or just consuming content? Here's what science and psychology have shown us. Your brain learns best with retrieval, spaced repetition, and deep focus. Neuroplasticity allows you to reshape your mind at any age. AI is not a threat, but a partner. The winners in this new era won't be those who know the most, but those who learn the fastest and smartest. So, your mission now is simple. Apply what you've learned. Use AI as your learning co-pilot. Focus on deep work and meaningful knowledge. Comment below. I learned smart if you're ready to commit to learning better, not harder. And tell us, what's the first skill you want to master this year? If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to upgrade their mind. The future belongs to the fast learners. Let that be you.